Hi friends, today I am sharing how you can draw this flower pattern. Till then what I have drawn is a circle, some leaves. The tragedy was I forgot to record the video and draw a few steps. So I will explain the remaining steps or the further drawing. Okay, I hope so you will forget me for this mistake. That's it. The flower number 1 is completed. Here you can see I have used curved lines, leaf patterns and a round shape flower leaves. Now the time to draw the stick, and at the right section I will draw two big size of leaves. Okay, now the inner line of the leaves. Now I am drawing the leaf number 2. Inner line have been drawn, so the right section is completed. Now let's work on the left part. Here I am drawing the base of the flower. I am trying to adjust the light so that you can clearly view what I am drawing. Now let's work towards the bottom part. And the last section is the last leaf number 3, and after that the drawing would complete it. So that's all. I'm sure you will try this video and please let me know your experience in the comment section. Take care of yourself. Till then I'll meet you in the next video. Till then you can take care of yourself and goodbye.